Welcome back to another video from PBI AI Agent. In this video, we're going to test the latest features of our version 3.0 release, specifically the AI API service, and our new integration with Claude Sonnet 4.5, the latest model from Anthropic. I've added a dataset with around 100,000 rows, and first, we'll test the AI API service. The AI API service means you don't need to use your own API keys, unless you prefer to. You can simply toggle on Use Built-in AI API Service and start using the PBI AI Agent without entering your own keys. Let's test it out. Right now, I've removed all the API keys from the configuration. I'll ask a simple question. For example, can you summarize dataset and provide key insights? As expected, it's trying to process something. But since there's no API key added, it should result in an error. And yes, the query returned an error, as expected. Now, let's toggle the built-in service on and try again. This time, I'll ask, which product has the largest total quantity in Canada? We can see that the query is now running and exchanging messages with the model. It's executing code and processing the response. And here's the result. It looks like the product SVDVD has the highest total quantity. Let's verify that quickly. Yes, confirmed. SVDVD indeed has the largest total quantity in our dataset of over 100,000 rows. Additionally, when using the AI API service, you'll notice a new credits available section in the status bar at the top. To use the AI API service, you'll need to have a positive credit balance. But don't worry, we've got you covered. When you sign up, $1 of free credit is automatically added to your account so you can test any of the available AI models. For more details on usage costs, please visit pbi-ai-agent.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.